Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Mike. Mike. Mike, what the fuck is going on with this fucking bullshit? Mike! 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 Mike!
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Can everybody hear me?
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Mike. 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 ABC, Mike. ABC. Hello. Can everybody hear me now? Don't touch it. Yeah. All right, guys, man. Yeah, I missed this whole move to the downside as I was trying to fix my computer. So, yeah, I mean, I guess it is what it is sometimes, right? Frustrating sometimes. I kind of like it to the downside here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, guys, I'm short 4 micro right now. I'm really looking for another leg here to the downside if you can. I'm gonna try my level best to stay patient and put my hard stop here
Order
in
submitted.
that 535 area,
Order
guys.
submitted.
This is where my hard
Order
stop is gonna be. I've
submitted.
got 4 contracts
Order
now.
submitted.
Yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna look for another leg to the downside into the 450s. That's another 50 points from here, guys. Let's see. We got the first leg here, and now I'm gonna be looking for another leg here down. I'm holding. I need this account back up again, right? I'll
Order
take one off the
submitted.
table at 482 if you get a pullback here now.
Order
All right,
filled.
guys,
Order
I took
filled.
one off the table.
Order canceled.
Let's look for
Order submitted.
next level of take profit. Flush down, retest the low here. I mean, not the low, initial low. Looking for a pullback down.
Order
Take profit
Order
done.
filled.
One more, guys.
Order
One more. Let's
submitted.
try to see if we can pull back here, back into the 455s. Oh man, you know what? I'm already up so much. One second. I think I should just take my profit here and just
Order
walk
Order
away.
filled.
Order submitted.
All right, this account's
Order
back up
filled.
Order
again.
filled.
All right, I'm gonna exit all my
Order
trades on
canceled.
this, guys. I'm out. All right, guys, my last account here to trade. My last account, guys. Everything is green now. All right. Yeah, I missed a lot of trade, man, because of my stupid computer and crashing me down. But hey, man, I'm back again, so I'm grateful that we are back here. At least I wanted to say goodbye to everybody before I can officially walk away from this live streaming. But I didn't want to just, you know, just because my computer kind of crashed on me, I didn't want to just walk away like that. So I wanted to come back into the streaming for another 30 minutes and yeah, and say goodbye to everybody maybe. Anyways, guys, 454, we are getting a little bounce back up again here. That's the speed. I don't know. All right, guys, 460, we're trying to get a bounce. What a beautiful exit on my trade. That's a perfect just take a look. Where's my field orders? Show fields. Oh yeah, no, I shouldn't be showing that right now. Full field, exit that. All right, so we're trying to get a bounce back into the 470. Another leg to the downside could be, yeah, we could be pulling back here towards the end of the day, right? Maybe. That's a pretty yeah, that's a pretty big pullback that we actually got. That's like, I think 100 That's like 140 points pullback there, guys. Now the thing is, right, we've got a resistance here, right? I'd like to see this thing kind of get a rejection of this level. I don't want this thing piercing through this. Oh shit, my god. I'm late.
Order filled.
I'm late. I'm late. I'll exit that, guys. I'll exit that trade. I'm late.
Order filled.
filled.
I'm down 27 bucks, but I'm gonna wait. That was a I could have certainly done a better job. I could have certainly done a better job on that one. All right, we are pulling back here. That's another rejection of that pivot. But we could try to bounce, right? Try to scare the bears. And the bears cover. And we get a little squeezy move. And then that kind of fades. Wow, what a nice, beautiful story here. Yeah, I'm gonna be a little careful here, guys. Now we are approaching towards the end of the day. Last trading day of the week as well, so absolutely no reason to kind of like try to be all in at this point. Yeah, I promise that I will be here through out the entire day, so all right, guys, there we go. We are getting that kind of a bounce that we're looking for. I would prefer to still try to short the bounce right at this moment. I think the Trump and the Dr. William, the sponsor of this bull market today, maybe said and done. That juice is over. Mo Tiger is fine with me. Wiz no fear. What is going on, brother? Great to see you back again. All right, so let's do I don't know. All right, so let's try to make some couple more trades. Try to put me back in green across all the accounts. Yeah, I mean, nothing really too crazy, right? I did tell you guys that I'll be kind of slowing down in my trading today. I'm not gonna try and make anything silly trades. I mean, silly trade meaning go aggressive in my trades. So I have not done that. So my funding tick's looking pretty good too here, and my oh my god, did I just walk away? My take profit trader logged out. Maybe it's a good thing I logged out on my take profit trader, because I've made $200 on my pro account, and maybe that's really all I need. Oh, let me just take a look and see if my pro account activation is kind of like got the credit on that account, so I can activate it. Hopefully there's a credit. Oh no, there's no credit, so I probably would get it tonight, I guess. All green? No, I had one red today. One red, but one red, but everything else green. I think I'll take it. So we are now back into the power hour, guys. Power hour trade. We'll try to see if we can actually make some good trades towards the end of the day. Let's try to stay strong and have a great start to the weekend. Got 458 now. All right, guys, we are getting a nice little pierce through bounce. The 50 minutes candle looks actually pretty good so far right now. So here we have the resistance now at 480. Now we really got to bounce. Guys, I'm gonna
Order
try and
Order filled.
yeah, I'm gonna try and short this, man.
Order
Order filled.
I'm gonna try and short this and exit this trade on a bounce into the 490, guys.
order
Oh my
Order
god!
filled.
Oh my mochaccino, guys! What a trade!
order
Order
It's
filled.
working out nicely here, guys. Oh my! I'm
Order
taking more
filled.
profits
Order
off the table down to
Order
2
Order
now.
filled.
Down to 2. I'm gonna be holding this last 2 piece until
Order
we test the
submitted.
initial low,
order submitted.
and then I'll exit if we get a bounce into the 500 area.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, that's it. Nothing else. So I'm back up in green. So I'm not gonna try to. No pressure for now. For now, no pressure. I'll probably want to exit here. I don't want to hold. I don't want to hold this. Yeah, it looks. Yeah, I may be wrong, but it looks like it wants to pull back, right? It's kind of exhausted, really, to be honest. But again, you never know, man. You never know what this market's gonna do, right? Let's not try to guess. Play what's in front of you and what the chart is telling you. I
Order,
added some
Order
more
filled.
here, guys. Let's see if we can
Order
actually get a little
submitted.
more pullback here down.
order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
I'm down to 3 now again.
Order filled.
Order
All right, down
filled.
to 2. Back to 2 again. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade. I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order
I exited
filled.
that trade because it was chopping too much. I probably want to see a little more. Either I'd like to see a break, right? So let's see. We have a chance of a breakout. Oh, if we get over 490, right? But if not, then I think we pull back all the way down and retest the low. So we have this market will have to now decide what it wants to do.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I'm adding to my short, guys, again.
Order
Order filled.
order filled.
Order filled.
Exit it again. Yeah, I kind of feel like, we pull back, but I'm not in this trade right now. I'm out, guys. I'm out. All right, so we are getting that little bit of a rejection there of that pivot. So this could be a bear flag kind of forming. Give me a little bounce so I can actually try to short this bad boy. I don't know, 1 second, guys. Where's my volume, by the way? Where's my volume? What the heck is my volume? Get rid of this volume. Oh my god. I don't know where my volume went, to be honest. Anyways. Oh no, I need an RSI. Where'd the RSI go? God, guys. Where's RSI? There we go. And that's what I was missing too. I got a lot of indicators missing. I need an RSI here too. There we go. This is definitely very important for me. ATR, not really. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. ATI. All right, guys. So, do we get a bounce? Man, I just kind of feel like, you know, we get a we really have to get above this, but we're having a little bit of a tough time trying to get above this, right? So. We could pierce through. I'm gonna step in.
Order filled.
I will scale out
Order
as soon
submitted.
as we try to get to 500 area. For now, I'm gonna try and short this.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm
Order
short here.
submitted. Order submitted.
This better not
Order
get a
submitted.
bounce against me now. I need a quick flush down. All right, guys. I'll exit that trade.
Order
Oh,
filled.
man.
Filled.
I mean, I still made 50 bucks on that trade, but I just did not feel comfortable because it was kind of holding. So I'm like, you know what? I don't want to be stepping on that bounce. All right. I mean, a lot of micro scalps, but on a winning side, so I'll be okay with that. Yeah. Yeah, so far a lot of wicks, man. We could easily start getting a pullback here too, so. Or maybe even a bounce. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. I know it's a fresh new live stream, but if you guys don't mind, please take a few seconds of your time to smack it, guys. Thank you so much for your love and patience. You guys know how much I appreciate that, right? So mucho, no bueno, no pasa nada. Te amo, everybody. Te amo. Te amo. Te amo. All right, so here we are, guys. I don't know what this market is trying. Honestly, I would prefer really for this market to just start dumping yet again. But so far, we're kind of holding, right? We're kind of holding, guys. It's a problem. It's a problem because I don't want this market to hold, man. I want it dump all the way back down. I want this thing to get back into like $22,000, man, for all you know. If Trump cannot get this market to push back up again, then honestly, I don't know. What else do we have? We did not have any catalyst to move this market back up again. We somehow got Dr. William, try to push the market back up again, but could not hold. And last minute, Trump tried to pump it up again. And I wonder really if we are going to be able to hold it. It's a big fat question mark. We're going to have to find out. But if we can't hold this, guys, I don't know what else can really. Trump tried to save. We'll see, guys. I'm telling you, if we break it down to the 347s, and that's literally about 100 points away from where we are, then yeah, I think this is going to be a major, massive rollover down. It's going to be incredible. I can certainly tell you, my friend in Korea right now, he's definitely very excited. He's probably in his dream now because it's kind of late in Korea, but he must be a happy camper if you get a bounce, of course. But honestly, as much as this market's getting a bounce, I don't know if the Bitcoin's actually getting a bounce as much though. I think the Bitcoin's pulling back here. Yeah, see, Bitcoin's still down. Yeah, Bitcoin's actually getting a further pullback. Honestly, is this actually going to give us some kind of a clue here? Because the Bitcoin's actually pulling back, right? Bitcoin's pulling back is no sign of any bounce, so almost kind of let me know that maybe this market is just not gonna be able to hold, right? The Bitcoin's down quite a lot, so I wonder if this market's gonna be able to hold it though, right? That's we'll see. Bitcoin down still 3%, down at $83,000. So Bitcoin maybe pull back into maybe 70K. Probably a good place to kind of scoop some shares. That's what I'm planning to do. Yeah, I'm gonna try and short this. This is a very important area right here, guys. So that's why I'm like, maybe we could try to retest this zone, 500 area. This 500 area was a big level before, right? So
Order filled.
Order filled.
all right, guys, I'm short here again. Let's see, we broke out of this very important 480, but now the thing is we're gonna have to hold this 500 level. If we can't do that, I think we kapoo all the way down.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
And guys, I went short 5 contracts here. Oh my mochaccino,
Order
guys.
Order filled.
Wow, look at that
Order.
perfection,
Order
guys.
filled.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm down to 2 now. All right, guys, I'm looking for a pullback here down. Retest the initial low here now, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, I may have to exit this.
Order.
Order
I think one
filled.
more off. I'm just down to 1 now, guys. 1.
Order canceled.
I'm placing my
Order
hard stop at
submitted.
break even.
Order submitted.
Because I'm gonna try and step
Order
into
filled.
this a little more aggressively on a pullback here. Yeah, I'm gonna exit.
Order
Okay, guys,
filled.
I exited that trade. I exited that trade. All right, I exited that trade. No, we've got to hold this zone here. This is definitely going to be a very big level now. I think as soon as we try to crap underneath the 450, I think this is going to be like a big problem. But guys, keep in mind the small cap, the IWM, actually got a very powerful bounce, right? Just take a look at IWM. IWM 3% up right now, guys. Right, so IWM, the small cap, Russell looking pretty solid here, but I almost kind of feel like, you know, the mega caps are kind of losing out of steam, with an exception obviously Google, but and the Bitcoin pulling back here, guys, as well. So I don't know, man. It's kind of a very mixed bag so far. Anything can happen now. I would love to see this market pull back, to be honest, but we'll see.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, guys,
Order
I
filled.
went short. Let's see. Maybe I'm on the wrong side on this bad boy again. I don't know.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
All right, guys.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Exit
Order
that trade.
filled.
Yeah, I just can't hold this trades for long. You know, it's just really hard, right? Because I don't want to be on the wrong side and end up holding a bag, right? But I mean, I guess I made what I need. This account is, well, let me just move that bad boy right now. 1 second, guys. You guys can't see my yeah, I mean, I've got almost $9,000 of profit on that account, right? It's looking pretty good. So yeah, lots of profits kind of building up, which is great. I don't think I want to be making any more than what I did today. I think that's fine. What do you guys think? Holiday day, enjoy the weekend. I could, yeah, certainly do that, yeah. Pa, 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 pa. So, I mean, it almost kind of feels like the Fed are all kind of like having a little bit of a consensus that the rate cut in December is back again. So if that is the case, you guys remember we got this big dumpage in this market because we thought there's not going to be any rate cuts in December, right? And now there is a news coming out saying the Fed members are kind of getting into a consensus mode that we are going to be getting the rate cut in December. And that's what is kind of moving this market back up again, including of course Trump with Nvidia. And Nvidia, though, it's not holding though, right? Nvidia kind of break even right at this moment. So I don't know, guys. I want to trade my Take Profit Trader Pro account, but I don't have the credit to activate that account. You know what I mean? All right, so we're kind of chopping in that range. Maybe we try to finish the day in that chop range, maybe. I would really like to see some flush down, man. Really. I would love to see this flush down, but I don't know if this market's kind of ready. The more we kind of hold this area, maybe we get a squeeze back up, because the short cannot take this thing down, then we're capito. Let me just take a look and see if my take profit trader pro count is, if I got credit. No, I just don't. I don't have the credit just yet, so I can't be trading that either. I would personally would love to see this thing pull back here, to be honest, man. I'd like to see something like this, right? But I don't know if this market's ready yet. I don't know. I'd like to see something like this, man. This will be really nice if you can do something like that right now, and then finish the week pretty bearish, right? And then yeah, we just need one good dump to kind of like get everybody out, right? Get everybody out of the system, because the bulls, obviously the retailers are kind of holding, right? They're like, oh, let me just try to hold. I think, you know, we have a chance of a bounce back into the all-time high again right now. Oh man. And then guess what, if we start to get a pullback here into the 400 area, I think this is capito. First thing first, we gotta get back into the 450 first. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and short this bad boy. Actually, I don't have an account to trade. I realize that now. Don't have an account to trade. Yeah, maybe let's try to make it $9,000 of profit in this bad boy right now. Oh my god, it's a little late now. We just tapped in that major level of support, so we gotta break underneath that to kind of flush it all the way back down again, guys. Wow, we are breaking down, guys. We are breaking down. Holy mochaccino is real. All right, guys, 434 now. Yes, baby. Just keep going down. Give me that pullback here. Nice. Venki deep in the house, man. Making almost 4K using micros. Micro is the king. All right, we just broke underneath a very important level, guys. I don't like this at all now. Now we really got to get back above to make the bulls feel better. But I don't know, man. Do we have what it takes? A major level of support here sitting at 428. That's the EMA support as well on a 30-minute chart. Oh, baby, guys. Here, we are going to get a bounce. Oh, man. All right, let's see.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm shorting now, but I will exit my trade. I've got a hard stop here. I'm gonna have to exit my trade if we get a bounce, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys. The big level.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm down to 2 now.
filled.
Oh, man, mochaccino, man.
Order
That pullback here,
canceled.
taking profits. Felt good. Tell you that much. Let's see, guys. I'm gonna
Order
exit
failed.
one. I'm gonna
Failed.
take one
Order canceled.
more off the table. Down to one last piece, guys. I think we get another leg here to the downside, to be honest, man. I think we are creating that bear flag here, right? And pull back, give us another leg to the downside. So let's see if this actually ends up holding, guys. It's got to be very, very important that the bulls have to hold this. If we can't hold this, guys, this game is over. Everybody. I just left one piece just to kind of like be in the game. All right, I'm gonna move my stop to break even now, guys. Yeah, it looks like we're having a little bit of a tough time trying to hold, guys. The bulls maybe capito here. Oh my god, man. Copy trade? No, I don't copy trade at all, guys. I don't copy trade any of my accounts. Oh my mochaccino, man. This is unreal. We are breaking down, guys. Oh my god, StockTiger. I need everything pulled back here so I can load in my swing trade equities, guys, man. I need Palantir down to 120. I need Nvidia down to 140. I need Nvidia, AMD down another 15%. I need everything down, everybody. I just want this account to be over $9,000 of total profit, so I'm gonna trail my stop now. We're getting a little bounce. I'm gonna trail my stop here. If I get stopped out, that's fine. At 450 in here is my stop. I'm gonna add some more here, guys. I'm gonna pull back.
Order filled.
I've added some more, guys. Oh my mochaccino. Oh my god.
Order.
Taking one
Order
more off the
filled.
table. One more
Order.
off.
Order filled.
And I'm over.
Order.
Order
failed.
filled.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. I took it off a little bit too early, guys, man. Look at that. I need 5 more cents. Like, this is probably the most difficult thing I can ever do now. To get the half a cent. You guys see that? Half a cent, guys. Not even $1. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna get screwed now. I thought I got it. I guess not. Incredible, guys. Incredible. Wow, what a nice trades, though. I mean, I think it's a good day. Not just from a P&L standpoint, but I think overall from a trading perspective, too. A lot of good calls here. Right? But, I mean, I'm very upset with this 5 cents that I needed to make this great again. My god, StockTiger, what are you gonna do though? All right, do I make how do I play my half a cent, guys? It's gonna be a very, very challenging half a cent trade here. Watch me make it happen right now. There you guys, looks pretty bearish now. We are crapping down. All right, Mr. Dr. Trump could not save the market. What is it gonna come with on the weekend? Is it gonna be like, okay, well, we are gonna be selling Montana to somebody? Is that what it is? He's gonna sell whatever he can to save the market, and I don't know if he has what it takes to save the market though. We'll see. Dude, All right, guys, wake me up when this market's down to like 10%. Okay, I'm going to bed now. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. I cannot shut it down until I see a lot of likes, guys. Love you guys. Thank you so mucho. You guys are the best. Thank you. Woo. Yeah, I mean, I would personally, I'd love to see this market just dump all the way down. Yeah, I'd love to see this thing back down, right? Before DT announcement about Nvidia and China. I'd love to see this thing pull back here into the 250 area, man. We are pulling back here, guys. This is a nasty pullback here. Lots of good calls. Look at all my lines that I drew. Holy mochaccino. Not a bad day. Yeah, not a bad day. Another bear flag here, guys. Oh my god, this is what a simple trade. Bear flag, another one. Just bear flag all day, guys. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not a bear flag. Maybe a fake. Let's see, guys. I don't know, man. This really have to get a pierce through. We really have to pierce through this level and try to see a bounce back into the 400 level, right? We got to get this thing back over 400 to kind of feel a lot more bullish. Yeah, I'd like to see how this market actually end up closing. Wow, look at that, guys. I think this is probably a very easy trade to get into. To make 0.5%, I think it's easily doable for me. Oh my god, is that a bounce we are getting right now?
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm officially back over to $9,000. But I am greedy. I'm greedy. I'm gonna look for a flush down again.
Order
filled.
Another bear flag here kind of forming. Maybe. Another bear flag. Oh shit, guys, I'm down now. Great, StockTiger. We could see this thing pierce through. All right, so far we're kind of holding so. I'm still holding, guys. I'm still holding the short right at 385. I mean, we could just get a bounce. The 30 minutes chart, the 30 minutes chart actually looks good so far. It almost kind of looks like we are getting a little bit of a bullish hammer, kind of foreign. So we'll see, guys. We have to hold this. Holy shit, man! I'm down now. Oh my god. Blink of an eye, guys. I was looking at something else and there you go. And off you go.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna have to exit this trade if we
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Order. Order.
Order
Get the hell
filled.
down there!
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Get the hell
Order.
down
Order
there right
filled.
now!
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Everybody, welcome back to StockTiger live streaming here in New York, the biggest and the largest. Oh my mochaccino, guys. Whew. Almost got an heart attack there, guys, man. Yeah, just one of those days, guys. I only needed 5 cents, which kind of turned out to be like down $600. Holy. Oh my god. This battle never ends, guys. And we only have like less than 20 minutes to finish the market. The market closes in about, what again? 22 minutes. Incredible. Guys, show some love. Smack the like, guys. Yeah, yeah, man. I still need a pullback here, not because of my trading now. My trading, I guess it's pretty over now. I don't know if I can actually get into both trades as you speak, but from my swing trading perspective, I need this market pullback, right? Oh my god, guys. Is Trump live right now? Oh my god. He's gonna come back. Oh, come on, Trump. Please do not pump this market. Please. Please. Yeah, my trading, I think it's coming to an end for today. And honestly, I just don't really have anything to kind of trade off. I did all the trades I need to. I did trades across my Take Profit Trader, my Apex, through my funding Tix account, and one of my Tradify account, and my Top Step as well. So yeah, I'm done. I guess I did also one on funding Funded Next as well. Funded Next account also. So yeah. So yeah, so yeah, looks like we're gonna create another bear flag here, guys. Another bear flag maybe forming here, guys. Another bear flag kind of forming here, I think. Let's try to... I'm gonna look for that little bit of a bear flag, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shit.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Oh my god, 1 second. Trump talking right now? Oh shit, guys, I'm in trouble now. Oh, 1 second, 1 second. I've gotta get out of my trade. But it's a bear flag. I see that bear flag, but I could be wrong though, because Trump is here now. He's gonna be
Order
yapping,
Order
so I gotta be
filled.
careful,
Order
guys.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order
Alright,
filled.
I exited
Order
that trade.
filled.
Holy mochaccino, man. Trump is live. I completely forgot about that. But I think we're creating a bear flag though. I kind of like a bear
Order
flag.
filled.
I'm gonna place my hard stop
Order
here though,
submitted.
just in case.
Order submitted.
So I'm gonna have a hard stop here, and I'm gonna look for a pullback here, guys. We'll see if we can actually pull back into the 380 first,
Order
and maybe down
submitted.
into the 370 here, guys.
Order submitted.
If not, then I get stopped out. I probably have to have my stop here, I guess, a little bit higher in that area. I prefer to have my stop here. I'd be probably better off, right? All right, there you go, guys. That's my hard stop. And I'm going to be looking for a pullback down. Well, let's see if we get it, guys. This is definitely going to get very interesting. I kind of feel like a bear flag here, in my opinion. I could be wrong, but anyways, it's only just 2 micro contracts to kind of like test the water, really. Before the session is over. We've only got 20 more minutes, guys. 20 more minutes. And is Trump actually live? I don't see anywhere it says live, but
Order
all right,
filled.
guys.
Order
One
filled.
got triggered. I'm back down to one last piece here, so
Order canceled.
and I'll move my stop to 411, and then I'm gonna be looking for that flush down if we can. I'll move my TP here to the initial low and adjust my trail stop to 409. If we get a bounce, then I get stopped out. If not, we get a flush, then it gets TP get triggered. Now, because Trump is having a little conversation with New York mayor, maybe get a little excitement and maybe get a bounce. But overall, though, the technical, from a technical standpoint, I'm kind of seeing a bear flag. But again, things can change pretty quickly. All right, guys, I'm going to hold this. Look for that extended move here to the downside if you can. Back into the 360 area. And that would be my final take profit on this account. All right, so we're trying to get a bounce. Oh, once again, let me just move my
Order filled.
Order filled.
I guess I've added
Order
one more.
submitted.
And I've adjusted my stop here to 126, 130 area. And I'll take my profit
Order
here
submitted.
at 388. Looks like it's trying to get a bounce, but yeah, we'll see. It could be 50-50 to be honest. Yeah, we could get a bounce. Yeah, we could also get a pullback too. So far it's, oh yeah, it's grinding higher. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out here pretty soon.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to exit this trade now. Yeah, I'll exit this trade.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Yeah, exited that trade. It's looking pretty bullish now. We got a little bit of a indecisive doji candle on a previous one, and now it's got a bullish reversal pattern, right? But again, I would honestly prefer to see this thing pull back here, though.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, I've got 3 contracts again. I'm gonna have a
Order
hard stop
submitted.
here
Order submitted. Order
Once again.
submitted.
and look for a pullback. Let's see if we looks a bit exhausted, so I don't know. We'll see, guys. I've got short position here. Let's see if that was a little bit of a fake. A key area we've got to hold this, guys. Key area now, a 395. If we can't hold that, I think we go pretty quickly here. Now, let's see if we hold here. EMA support. Let's see if we have what it takes to kind of hold this area now. 395, guys. A big level. It's on watch. I'm gonna take 1 off the
Order
table right
filled.
now,
Order
guys.
filled.
I'm down to 2
Order
now.
canceled.
So far, we are holding. We try to get a bounce again, man. Look at this wonky move here towards the end of the day. We have only 11 more minutes to finish the day, guys. What is it gonna be, man? I would really love to see this thing dump. MOC, yeah, absolutely. Something's got to break, right? Something's got to break. We only have 11 more. Actually, you want 1 more minute for the algo move. That's gonna be a nasty one. That's gonna be a nasty one. I better take 1 more off the table here, guys. I'll take
Order
1.
submitted. Order
All right, I
filled.
got 1
filled.
down. I've only got
Order
1 more
canceled.
contract, guys. We are back in green again on this account. Holy mochaccino. I would really see a dumpage, man. I would really love to see that. Yeah, I really like to see a pullback here, but I don't know. I'm gonna keep my 1 contract, a hard stop there, no turning back, a really hard stop there in that 452. That's the initial of the swing high, and then now I'm gonna look for an extended move to the downside. If we do, then that's great. Even 1 micro, man, we could still probably make some good trade here. Well, the algo candle is done now. MOC. I don't know how much of a Trump news is gonna really move this market anymore. All right, guys, we are getting that bearish candle now. Let's see if we can hold this. If we can hold this to 395, guys, this is gonna be huge, right? We talked about this 395. If we break underneath that, I think this is gonna be capito. The weekend's over for the bulls. If that is the case. Next week more red. It really depends. I mean, think about it, guys. We also thought it's gonna be a pullback continuation here this morning, and then we obviously get a surprise move by Trump and Mr. Dr. William, and that kind of got this market kind of balanced out and try to get a bounce back up again. But again, it's next week. We've three more days for next week to start. And that's a freaking long time, right? So it's 3 days. And there's gonna be a lot and lots of news. 3 days, guys. All right, we are pulling back here. I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Actually, no, I'm gonna trail to 411, so at least I can be in profit here. So, guys, man, we are pulling back here. Let's see if we get a flush down. We got 8 more minutes to go for this market to close. And at least so far, not looking that great. We broke underneath a very important 395 as well. So let's see. Let's see if somebody can save this market now. Or we literally pull back here all the way back into the 300 area. If we can't hold this, guys, we go down all the way to 300. And that would pretty much be giving everything back again, right? Going back to pre-Trump news this morning. So... And once again, I thank you guys for being here with me today for the entire duration of the morning. We had a lot of fellow traders hanging out on this stream, and I thank you guys for doing that, guys. Lots of good trades, lots of good calls. We made a lot of trades. You guys see that, right? I made a lot of trades this morning. Lots of trades and lots of good calls, so I'm happy. Well, no, I wasn't trying to be a hero today. Like I said again, I came into today saying that I'm gonna go really slow, and now with my slow trades, it almost kind of felt like I did a lot, but I mean, it's still a slow day for StockTiger standard, if you will. Right? According to my standard, I think that was definitely a very conservative trades. Yeah. Wow, one contract getting me $200. Oh man, look at that wick, guys. We may be getting all right, guys, I'm gonna exit here right now. I'm gonna exit my trade. I still think we got a pullback here back into 300 area, man. But again, I'm gonna place my hard stop here, guys. 350 now. I'm okay to get stopped out there now. Right, we are far off from my entry, so man, if we crack underneath this, it's a huge bear flag here now, guys. This is gonna be huge. We have to hold this, or we are capito, man. We are capito. Wow, what a beautiful entry there, man. 424 was my entry. Oh man, this is gonna go, guys. Holy mochaccino, 5 minutes to the close, and this market is just absolutely tanking back into 300, guys. My final take profit there right now, guys. My final take profit getting pretty close here. I am done. I am done here, guys. Oh my god, I am down here. Exit my trade. Thank you so much. That was a nice little trade, guys. I'm out of all my positions. Small little gains across the board. I'll be happy with a small little gain. I think it was a good trade setups that I kind of like better than, obviously, more so than my P&L. My P&L is kind of like just small little gains, puppy gains, but good trade, good trades. I am grateful and content that I was able to stream live alongside my fellow traders today, this morning. And I thank you guys, obviously, for being here with me this morning as well. I'm gonna now have to, oh my god, guys. Now I'm gonna have to let you guys... All right, one second. What am I saying? I kind of got lost here a little. All right. Anyways, yeah, that's it from my end, guys. We'll see you guys back on a Sunday night now. The day's over. I hope all of you have a great weekend. We'll see you guys back on a Sunday night at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, guys. Let's have some more good trading sessions. Take care, guys. Have a great rest of the night. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thank you for being here this morning. Do not forget to smack the likes before you hop out. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys back on a Sunday night. Thank you, guys. Peace out. Goodbye, everybody. Enjoy the weekend, guys. Forget about trading now. Enjoy the weekend and take care. Peace.